Today we are going to discuss about calculator.aws URL. Was it? It doesn't require any sign in sign up. First thing. Second, if you want what services cost to you how much, so this is the calculator which is provided by the AWS where you can find out the pricing of each and single service which you are going to use. Okay, so how it's work, I will go through you. So this is the AWS pricing calculator which is estimate the cost of your architecture solution. Okay, so before go to the production one or the development one, you need to check the service which you are going to use how much cost you by the monthly, by the yearly, how much CPU, how much memory you are going to take. You should know about this before using this calculator. So now let's go first with this button, the create estimate. If you click here, you will see two section, or I can say two options. First one is search by location type. Second one is search all services. If you want to run your service reason wise, right, then you choose this option. And if you want to check the price generally, it's going to, so you need to select the search all service. Now first, I am going to take lambda. Okay, suppose I want to run one script with the help of lambda, right? You know what is a lambda, right? So yeah, it is a serverless, okay, which is like a uh, run your code without managing the server or provisioning. All right, you pay only for the compute time you consume. There is no charge when your code is running. All right, now I am going to select the lambda. Okay, so now we have the description. So right now I am just putting here demo, right? Which reason I want to looking for, right? So I have to choose this one from now. And we have the two things here. If you want to include free tire as well, or if you want without the free tire, suppose your free tire is completed, now what is going to cost you, right? So that would be a better always. Okay, so we have the two architecture. One is the x86, one is the ARM. So the ARM, it is most like a you can say uh, architecture that handled by the AWS, right? And the cost will be low as per comparison to x86. Okay, yeah, good. I will like show you how it's going to be like a reduce your cost if you selected the ARM. For now I am going to select the x86. We have the number of requests, so you need to choose what type of service or what type of uh, I can say script you are going to run. So suppose I am going to choose million per month. So I have not 10 million, right, requests per month. I'm just assuming right now. And I know like above the 10 million, it's not going to be hit my service. So yeah, I have just take the boundary 10 million per month. And now you will see when I put here 10, so the cost will be 2 USD dollar from now. Okay, it is no any upfront cost, right? It is a monthly cost here. Now we have the duration of each request. How much duration you want your request going to be run. So right now I have take just 500 milliseconds. Okay. Now amount of your memory allocated. So we can choose between the 128 MB to 10 GB, right? So for now, I am just going to put 128. So you will see our monthly cost increase by 12.40 USD. Okay, and we have the infrared storage allocation as well, where you can uh, specify the memory, the inferior, you can say SSD memory right now. So if I am going to provide 5120, so you will see there is a no major effect on the cost if I am using this 5 GB lump sum 5 GB, right? So it's not going to be effective. But the memory part, if you go with 512 only MB, now you will see the effect on the cost. And if you want to use around 5 GB, so suppose if I'm going to put here around 5 GB RAM, so now you can see here the cost. All right, so this is a our configuration and pre uh, I can say pricing calculator before going to on the real time of AWS services. So this is the key and most important part if you are a AWS practitioner. Okay, so please also go through these, and there's a lot of services are there. If you want to take the S3, so how much space, how much time you are going to access, so all that things you need to fill out. And you can also check, okay, what is the cost we are going to pay, right, for the particular service. Now we have the one more option here which I have talked the earlier. So here the architecture. Now if you see, I am going to select the ARM, the cost will be reduced around 30%, right? So this is the power of ARM architecture, which is provided by the AWS, right? So now you need to go with this your website and try with the different estimation, and just see what the cost is going to affect here, right? Okay, thank you.